Wind buffeting. It sucks. With the 991.1, whenever you roll down the windows, you get a wind buffet. And I'm having deja vu because when I had my 981 GT4, I had the same issue. So we ordered these little flaps. We're gonna install them really easy and really quick video. So this is gonna go right here and the color matches, and this should prevent that wind buffeting. Now, Elise is gonna do the install because she's so much better at this stuff than I am.
First thing we're gonna do is clean the area with an alcohol pad so that it will be ready for the adhesive. Next, we're going to remove the protective film from the adhesive backing. We looked at the photos on Suncoast's website, and they have just a small gap here at the bottom, so that's what we are going to try to replicate with our placement. And now that we have it in place, we're just going to put a little bit of pressure to ensure that the adhesive sticks. And it's installed. And this is how it looks from the inside. We do not have any wind buffeting, and we are having a great drive.
I can tell you that I like to drive my windows down, so this was a must for me. You could pick a setup from Suncoast Porsche Parts. Those guys are amazing. Definitely a great product. All right, guys, thank you for watching. You take care. We'll talk to you soon.